and gentlemen, Sunday in the Philippines, it's very difficult to get a jeepney spot. As you can see, it's full. So what you have your options. You can wait for 3 or 4 jeepneys until afternoon when it gets slow, or you can have the full jeepney experience by hanging on the back like a monkey. And this, you can all have all this pleasure for only 40 cents. My brother would just love this. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. When it bounces around, whoa. Sakanaog, sakanaog. Sakanaog, sakanaog. And over there is the fish market. And on this side is the fishing boats. And extra bamboo for the fishing boats. So, for 20 pesos, you too can enjoy the Philippines. That's right. Oy vey and shalom from Rabbi Jew Barker in the Philippines, baby. Humping for me. Ladies and gentlemen, believe what you will, but this is how you ride a jeepney in the Philippines. When the jeepney is full and the conductor is climbing around outside, or was climbing around outside somewhere. So this is a jeepney in the Philippines, and to go from where is Poblacion to Tagbilaran, it's 23 kilometers approximately, or 22 kilometers, and the cost is 20 pesos or 40 cents. Now if you go from Alona Beach, it's the same, I think, or could be 25 pesos now. And if you go home, it's the same, Baliktad, reverse. But this is the best spot because you have libre, free aircon, libre aircon. No bakakon, yeah? No bakakon. Daliba ka. Tunod na.
Libre aircon.
Yeah, libre aircon. And I am Niwang. Niwang, Kambo. 32 kilos.
I'm 100 kilos.
She is calling me a liar. I am a liar. I am Bakakun Ko. Yeah? Okay, so I just wanted to let you know this is a cost of living in the Philippines video. I don't know where the conductor went. He actually is crawling around outside. So, thanks for watching, and God day to everybody from Michael Fazio and Daisy May in the Philippines, baby. You want to say good morning? Shy? You? Mayan buntag.
Ninyong tanan. Good morning to all of you.
Salamat.
Yeah, welcome.
And you? Would you like to say good Mayan buntag? No. Okay, so we're gonna say goodbye. Umping Permi. Yeah, baby. This is it.